Hello, my lovely people. How are you doing? How is your day? How is your week? How is your month? How is everything? Hopefully, everything going well. Welcome back to my channel. And in today, we have this hairstyle. I don't know how to call this hairstyle or what's the name of this hairstyle, but this is one of the easiest and light hairstyle you would like to rock it. So if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much, honey, for stopping by. But if you're new to this family, you're welcome. My name is Glory Toy, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly give this video a big thumb up and don't forget to subscribe. Today I'll be using this passion twist, and I use only pack of this hair. This is color 1, as you can see, and this hair is from Darling. And I'll use this oil sand gel to repart my sections to get clean and neat sections. This is how this hair looks like. Every pack comes with 2 bundles in. So I am going to part my hair from ear to ear. I make sure the line is clean because I want my sections to be clean and neat as well. So after this, I'm going to divide again this front section into 2. So I am going to put middle way. And then here I'm going to start to part sections. So today I'm going to work with small sections because I want to keep this hairstyle for a little bit long time. So make sure you do small sections. So I take one strand from passion twists, or I take one passion twist, and each strand I divide into 2. So every one strand I braid two braids. Hopefully this makes sense. So I take the piece I divide, and then I make 2 strands, while the third one will be my natural hair. And then I start to braid, just to do regular braids as we do braids. But the difference here is the third strand is my natural hair, while 2 strands from passion twist. So here I'm going to braid until the end of my natural hair. And then because I want to tuck in my natural hair at the end to avoid my hair to show out, I will go ahead and add a little piece on my natural hair so that I'll be able to braid well until the end of my natural hair. But this is absolutely option. The next strand I show another way that you don't need to borrow hair, because sometimes it's a bit challenge if you are a beginner. So as you can see, here is the end of my natural hair. And then to avoid your hair to unravel before time, go ahead and take a tiny piece and then wrap couple time and then make a knot. You may either decide to make 2 knots or 3 knots to make sure you secure your hair well. And that's it. Before you ask me if you have long hair, this hairstyle is not friendly, because if you leave your hair out, especially if your hair is natural, it will not look so good. Though I saw some videos, some people, they leave their clients natural hair out, but for me it will look a little bit different because our natural hair always, it's different with braids. So again, here I take another half piece from passion twist, and then I grab together with my natural hair, and then I keep braid. As you can see here, in the end I apply some gel so that I'll be able to keep braiding until the end. At this point, I don't need to borrow any hair from any side, just my natural hair and 2 strands until the end of my natural hair. And then I take a tiny piece, wrap couple times to make sure I cover the remaining hair, the remaining of my natural hair, and then I make 2 knots to secure the ends. So if you don't have passion twists, you may go ahead and use Havana curls, because these hair, they're very similar. So I'm also going to braid in the back, and in the middle I'm going to crochet. So I will go ahead and make small section, because this hairstyle I really want to make small sections. So I'll go ahead and part small line, and then apply some gel and redo the line again to get clean and neat line. So after that, I go ahead and I braid, and I decide to show you guys how I hold hair in different ways, so you'll have idea how I hold hair from different parts of my head. So this is how I hold my hair in the back or in the middle of my head. If you're wondering how I can see back, I have 2 mirrors, one in front, small one, the one I use to make my the one I use to do my makeups, and in the back I have big one. As you can see up here in the back, you can see brown handle. That is my mirror. And as you can see in the back, I do 2 lines. I make sure I will cover the crochet hair well. So this is how these 2 lines looks like. So here I go ahead and do braids, but you may either decide to do twists as well if you are having some trouble to do cornrows. But this is how I do cornrows, and I'm going to show you small part, and then I will show you in the end, because I don't want this video to be too long. So every time when I braid, I make sure I add hair from only one side, and then I keep braiding. Add hair, braid 2 times, then add hair, braid 1, 2, add again, braid 1, 2, just like this way. And here I'm going to do like a circle shape, so that when I crochet the hair, all the hair will be covered well. Here I almost done with cornrows, and to avoid cutting my hair when I take this hair down, I'll go ahead and crochet the remaining piece of my hair into these cornrows, just like this. So this is the hair I have from one pack. So here, every piece I am going to divide into 4 pieces. At this point, you don't need bigger section. Go ahead and divide into 4 pieces. But if you find that section or the curl is smaller, go ahead and divide into 3 and then start to crochet. In the first round, I'm going to crochet really close from one crochet. I mean, every piece be very close from each other to get full hair. And then I secure twice to make sure the hair will stay in place for all this time I'm going to wear this hairstyle. Take your time to crochet. It's not really necessary to crochet the whole part, but then go ahead and see how your hair looks like, because sometimes different shape of the head, it gives your hair different look. So know your head shape first, and then you'll be comfortable to go with your style. So after I crocheted up to here, I find this hair actually looks so full, and I didn't find any reason to keep crocheting more hair. So I go ahead and put some mousse on my hair. You may use any kind of mousse you have. And after I put enough mousse, can you see the difference? Like, there is a huge difference between the side I put mousse and the side I didn't put mousse. So let me go ahead and put mousse all two sides. So after this, I go ahead and trim some hair because I don't want this long. Here it's summer and I want something short that will not touch my back. Take your time to trim fewer. Don't trim bigger piece at the same time. Go ahead and do smaller pieces. And guys, this is the final look for today's video. This is how the hair it looks in the back, and I can tell you I didn't crochet the entire back side. And you can see how fully this hair looks like. And you can style this hair in so many ways, just like this way. You also can wear this hairstyle like this way, and many more styles. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly don't leave without give this video a big thumb up and subscribe and share. Love you. Bye.